Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Cooking Pass. Today we will be showing you a delicious snacks recipe for evening munching, chicken batter fry. So let's get started and check out the recipe. We have taken 500 grams of boneless chicken for this recipe, salt as per taste, 2 tablespoons of crushed black pepper powder, 3 tablespoons of onion paste, a tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste each, and 1 lemon juice. We have cut the boneless chicken breast like this. Instead of lemon juice, you can add vinegar as well. Let's start the marination. First, we are adding 3 tablespoons of onion paste into the chicken pieces. Next goes in a tablespoon of ginger paste, a tablespoon of garlic paste followed by. Next we are adding crushed black pepper powder. We are adding some salt. You can add salt as per your taste. Next we are adding the lemon juice into this. Mix it all together. Marinate the chicken pieces very well and keep this marination for at least 2 hours. Here we have not added green chili. If required, you can add green chili paste as per your requirement. Our marination is almost done. We will add some refined oil into this. We are adding about 2 tablespoons of refined oil into this. Mix it again. Our marination is done. Cover this and keep this marination in refrigerator for at least 2 hours. After 2 hours, first we will make a batter. For this we have taken 1 cup of refined flour, 3/4 cup of corn flour, a teaspoon of crushed black pepper powder. Take all of these ingredients into a bowl to make the batter. Next we are adding some salt. You can add salt as per your taste. We need 2 eggs. Mix it very well. The mixture is very tight, so you can use your hands as well. Mix it properly. We are adding a teaspoon of ginger paste into this, a teaspoon of garlic paste and a teaspoon of onion paste followed by. Mix it very well with the help of chilled soda water. If you do not have chilled soda water, you can use chilled water instead of this as well, along with a pinch of baking soda and a teaspoon of baking powder. But remember, whatever you are adding into this, be it plain water or soda water, it should be very chilled. And if you are using soda water, then do not need to add any baking soda or powder along with this. But if you are using plain water, plain chilled water, then you need to add a pinch of baking soda and a teaspoon of baking powder into this. The usage of chilled water or chilled soda water is it helps to make the batter fry more crisp. Do not add excess water or soda water to make this batter. Add it as per your requirement. Stir it continuously. It should be a lumps-free thick batter. Its consistency should be like this. We are adding 2 teaspoons of softened butter into this and a tablespoon of refined oil. Whisk it very well. Whisk it continuously until all ingredients into this batter mixed properly. Make sure it should be smooth and lumps-free batter. And always make this batter just before frying it into the hot oil. Our batter is ready. Let's start frying chicken batter fry. Heat some refined oil in the karai. Wait until the oil is hot enough. Whisk the batter again for a few seconds. Dip the chicken pieces into the batter. Coat the chicken pieces very well from all of its sides. Once the oil is hot, start frying the chicken pieces. Put one by one pieces into the hot oil and deep fry it until it is golden in color. Do not overcrowd your karai. If you have large number of chicken pieces, fry it in batches. Fry the chicken pieces in medium flame from both of its sides well. Fry the chicken pieces until it is nice golden in color and crisp in texture. Our chicken batter fry is now ready. You can see it has turned into a beautiful golden in color. Serve this immediately with your favorite dip and enjoy! Please do try this recipe at home and do let us know in the comment section below. Subscribe to Cooking Pass and press the bell icon to get more such new recipes every week.